Today we are here to discuss about the stereochemistry of bridging compounds. Number of bridging compounds are there. Out of some of the bridging compounds we consider here for the stereochemistry. So what is meant by bridging compound? Bridging compounds are the compounds in which more than two carbon atoms common between two rings. Basically it is bicyclic compound. And in this bicyclic compound the bridging compound in which more than two carbon atoms common between two rings is known as bridged compound. The smallest bridging compounds that structure might be observed. This is smallest bridging compounds. This bridging compound shows endocyclic bond angle 72.5. So 72.5 is the bond angle which is endocyclic, present in the cycle, endocyclic bond angle. So 72.5 is very less. If I compare with the saturated tetrahedral geometry carbon showing 109 degree 28 minutes. So it is far apart from this 72.4 by comparing with the 109 degree 28 minutes. If the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, it is more stable component because tetrahedral geometry and the carbon shows tetrahedral geometry. So here in this case it is unstable molecule and due to instability by Bayer strain or angle strain, these molecules convert at a 300 degree centigrade into 1,4-pentadiene as a product in this because of the instability of the molecule. Now, if we consider another bridging compounds, so these bridging compounds in which one site four carbon atoms are there. Just observe the structure. In this case, this bond angle because of the small ring, this type. This type of structure is there. One side two carbon atoms, on the side one carbon atom, in between one carbon atom. So it is bicyclo 211 hexane. This is information of it. So what is the endocyclic bond angle in this case? Endocyclic bond angle which is present as 81.2. 81.2 is the bond angle which is present in this molecule. So hence it is still close to the 190 degree 20 minutes. It is more stable than first bridging compound. Here, how many types of hydrogens are present? One, two types, three types, and four types. Four types of hydrogen atoms are present in this ring. Endocyclic bond angle is there, and it is homolog of the first component. It is also unstable. Stability is very less. Now come to the point of the borane, borane compounds. Norborane, we are saying norborane. So in this structure, you observe it is boat-like conformation. Boat conformation. It is known as boat conformation. But this is not exactly boat conformation. What is the name? This we will explain later on. So in this molecule, this side two carbon atoms are present. In this side two carbon atoms are present, and in between two carbons. So this is boat-like conformation. You might be observed like this. It is boat, boat type hydrogen. Now in this molecule, these two hydrogens are directly attached to the carbon. They are in vertical place, means parallel to the vertical axis. They are parallel to the vertical axis, and due to parallel, these are axial substituent, and these are also axial substituent. These are equatorial substituent. These are equatorial substituent, and so how many carbon atoms are present in this molecule? 4 and 4, 8. 8 plus to 10 and total 12. So total 12 hydrogen atoms are present. So in out of 12, how many types of hydrogens are there? 6 types of hydrogens are there. Six type of hydrogens are present in this molecule. So which are these? These two which are equatorial position, another two equatorial position, another two equatorial position, another two equatorial position. So this becomes HA, HA dash, HB, HB dash, HA, HA dash, HB, HB dash. So total HA, HA dash, HB, HB dash. So four are there hydrogen. Then these two bridgehead carbon atoms and two this at bridge carbon atom. So total six type of hydrogen atoms are present in this molecule. Here two carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 are joined with methylene bridge. Carbon 1 and carbon 4 joined with methylene bridge. So in this the bond angle is nearly 93 degree. So 93 is the endocyclic bond angle in this molecule. It is some more close to the 109 degree 28 minutes. So tetrahedral bond angle. So in this molecule tetrahedral endocyclic bond angle which is used as 93. So in this molecule, whatever the stability concern, so which strain are present in this molecule. So the strain in this case, in both conformations, when axial groups they are very close with each other, equatorial are very close to each other. Hence, due to this, it is less stable. More steric strain which is involved, and this because in both conformation studied in cyclohexane in previous class, their flag-pole interaction we explained. So flag-pole hydrogens means what? The hydrogens or CH bonds which are across the ring, they are known as flag-pole hydrogens. The groups which are away from the ring, they are known as bow-steric bond. But here flag-pole is absent. Instead of this direct CH2 carbon, methylene carbon which is attached. Hence, 1,3 interaction is absent. 1,3 interaction is nothing but transaminase chain. So transaminase chain is absent in this case. So instead of this bond eclipse chain, bond opposition chain, fixture chain, they are present in this molecule because these four carbon atoms are in axial bonds and four are equatorial. So axial groups were very close to each other and due to which bond eclipse chain is more. So due to bond eclipse chain, its stability is to be less, even though absence of black hole hydrogen. So due to this bond eclipse chain, as the rule is there, whatever the atoms or group of atoms present in a molecule, they try their level base to away from each other, because when the groups are when it comes close, then steric interaction, steric hindrance, steric repulsion, it is to be increases. And due to steric repulsion, its stability will be decreases. So stability of this molecule will be decreases. So due to this boat conformation is twisted, and it converts to twist boat conformations that we studied. So twist boat. So this is the twist boat conformation. Actually, no, it is not totally boat conformation, but twist boated. Twist boat means the bond angle is 93. Bond angle is not 100 degree, 109 degree 28 minutes. So instead of this 93 is endocyclic bond angle present in this molecule. So that you have to remember. Now, what about another strain which are present in this molecule? Any steric strain, whatever is there, but main part is that bond eclipse and bond opposition strain is just strain we are saying that are present. Now there are two types of hydrogens, these hydrogens and these hydrogens. So four hydrogens are axially placed. When they are axially placed, when they are axial groups, they are known as endo endo bonds, and these groups which are equatorial present, they are known as exo. So endo, that axial groups which are present, they are endo, while these are away from the ring, These are close with the ring, and hence it is known as endocyclic, incyclic, and these are exome. Exome is outside. So this type of bonds are there. So this is due to endocyclic and endohydrogens. We can say endohydrogens. So these are present in a one plane. They are close with each other, and due to close, more is the steric strain, or we can say van der Rohe strain. But it is transnuclear strain. It also produced because of CH groups which are not adjacent, and CH groups are adjacent. These are produced steric strain. So this steric strain is also present, known as van der Rohe strain, known as transannular strain. So this strain are produced and angle strain is also present. So due to all these characteristics, this molecule is unstable by comparing with the another. For previous one is cyclopentadiene, another one is cyclohexane. So bicyclo 111 pentane, bicyclo 211 hexane. So by comparing with the stability, this molecule is somewhat more stable than the previous two. So this is about the attachment of one bond of the each carbon carbon, which shown in stick and ball model. So these are the stick and ball model. But it will be helpful to us whether the molecules are stable or not stable, which of the axial equatorial bonds. So this is about the stereochemistry of bridge ring compounds. Okay, thank you.